I'm going to teach you how to ship a vintage Craftsman torque wrench. The buyer selected USPS priority mail. I'm going to use two 1095 boxes. You can get them free online. I got one taped already, ready to go. I take the second one, squeeze in the center, and slide it on in there. We're going to leave a little bit of room right now so I can see what size I need for this. And I want to give it a little bit of room on each side, so that might be about right. Maybe a little more just to, there we go. Now I'm going to wrap it up in paper. Got it good and wrapped. Now we're going to grab some more paper here. I kind of sandwich it or taco it in between like this, fold it up. Like so. We can stick it in the box now and use all the excess as kind of void fill on the sides so you're not stuffing a million pieces of paper in. And there we go. It's almost ready to ship. Peel that back. And then I get pretty aggressive on the tape here to make sure it's all done. And there we go. Now there's cheaper ways to ship this. Grounded Advantage would be cheaper, UPS would be cheaper, but for what the buyer wanted, it's holiday season. Let's go and get there a little faster. We're good to go.